Where my keys at? What the fuck? Where my keys at? Bro, ain't no fucking way. Oh, someone could have stole my bike. Look where the fuck I left my keys, bro. I was driving with them on the... No mames. Fucking dumbass. I was really driving with them shits hanging, bro. What the fuck? I'm not even fucking... What the fuck, bro? What the... I don't know how the fuck they didn't fly off, bro. I would have been fucking pissed. What the fuck? How did that shit not fly off?